Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is CDRI's 2.5 million US dollar resilience fund. The Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure led by India recently announced a 2.5 million US dollar fund to strengthen urban infrastructure resilience. The program is set to support cities in low and middle income countries and small island developing states. CDRI's initiative focuses on mitigating risk related to extreme heat, flooding, and water scarcity. This is part of CDRI's ongoing effort to enhance resilience in critical infrastructure sectors like energy, transportation, social, and water systems. Key focus areas of the initiative: the Urban Infrastructure Resilience Program will concentrate on improving infrastructure to withstand climate-induced challenges in urban areas. The primary sectors addressed include energy, transportation, social services, and water infrastructure, which are vital to urban functioning. Data-driven solutions will be emphasized to incorporate resilience into infrastructure planning, design, and maintenance. The initiative will specifically focus on cities most vulnerable to extreme weather events such as heat waves and floods. Importance for urban development. This funding will help cities better manage environmental shocks, reducing their long-term vulnerability. Enhancing urban livability through resilient infrastructure will improve the quality of life for millions in developing nations. Cities selected for this program will benefit from tools and data to prepare for future urban stresses caused by climate change. CDRI's initiative is expected to promote sustainable urban growth by integrating disaster preparedness into city planning. Future impact of CDRI's initiative. By supporting cities in LMICs and SIDS, the program aims to create models of resilience that can be replicated in other vulnerable regions. As extreme weather events become more frequent due to climate change, such programs will play a critical role in protecting urban populations. The success of this initiative could thrive further international collaborations for disaster-resilient urban infrastructure development. Cities benefiting from the fund will be equipped to handle future challenges, potentially saving millions of lives and safeguarding infrastructure investments. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the total funding announced by CDRI for urban infrastructure resilience? 1 million, 2.5 million, 5 million or 10 million US dollars? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.